Hi there. Today we are talking about how to add rainbow effect to any photo. Here is a photo from one journey. When we went back from that journey, there was a rain, and after rain we saw such a rainbow. But as you can see, it's not very spectacular. So how can we make good rainbow right here? The first, we will try to cut off all those parts which are unnecessary for us. Now we can take new layer. Let's go to gradients. Let's choose that gradient Russell's rainbow. But if you don't have those gradients, you can go there and choose special effects and press append. Okay, now we should choose radial gradient and draw a line from bottom up. I'm using Shift key. And now we can see a rainbow on separate layer. So in that case, we can press Ctrl T and make some modifications to that rainbow effect. We can take off some opacity to see the original rainbow, so we can be sure that it's covering the old one. Now opacity back to 100%. There is one more problem, and there is no difference in sharpness of this rainbow. So what can we do? We can take mask layer, and in that case we should choose from black to white and linear gradient. Now let's draw the same line from bottom to top using Shift key, and now as you can see, it's much denser up there, and here you can almost see through it. One more thing, you can't see the rainbow before those trees, so now we should take eraser tool. You have to be sure that the hardness is like 10% and size is quite big, and now we can just delete, erase some of these colors here. So rainbow goes further than those trees. The last things we will do, let's go to layer styles and choose screen. Now this layer is combined with original one. Okay, and there is one more problem. There is big difference between those colors. Here is green color and there is yellow color, and there is a strict line. So in that case we should stay on our rainbow picture. Let's go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and let's blur those colors together. Okay, and now the work is done. You can play with opacity if you want to make it not so intense, or you can copy that layer to make it more intense. I will leave it like that. There is one more problem. It's not very good picture. There is a rain drops on that front window of the bus, and there is also some problems like those drops that partly damages this picture. What can I do quite quickly? I can take spot healing brush and use that brush to go over those worst parts and clean it up. Of course, you don't want to spend a lot of time to take off all those dots, but at least the main of them, which are in front of our eyes. Okay, this is how we can make a rainbow effect on any picture. Have a nice day.